Hi guys, welcome back to Top Tips Graphics. It's me Ramesh in front of you. So today our topic is how to change the color of a photo or a certain portion of the photo by using the software Adobe Illustrator. Usually we know that the photo editing or any color changing, it's done by Adobe Photoshop. And even there are a lot of AI application and the software which is very easier for the users. Even though if you are editing or designing any certain vector designs which includes the images and the photos, these features will be very helpful for you. So let's go through the system. Here let's use this image or photo to show you how to change the color of the photo or certain portion of the photo by using the Adobe Illustrator. In this photo here I am just going to change the color of t-shirt of the boy in this image. So let's open the Adobe Illustrator software and create a new page in a certain dimension and in RGB mode. After opening the new page, let's place the photo into the artboard, which we are going to change the color. For that, just go to the file menu and place the image like this. Then just fix the image in the artboard. Now we have to select the portion of image which we are going to change the color. Here I am going to change the color of the t-shirts. For that, just pick the certain color for the stroke. Here I am selecting the green color and changing the stroke thickness to 0.1 mm. Then select the pen tool from the toolbar or the short key letter P. Now using the pen tool, let's select the t-shirt portion which we are going to change the color. If you have a multi-portion to change the color in the image, then close the selection of the first portion at first, and then again select the next portion by using the pen tool stroke. Here in this image, we have two portions of the t-shirts, on the right side of the rope and the other left side of the rope. So by using the same process, again select the pen tool, change the stroke thickness, and start selecting the other portion of the t-shirt like this. Here we finish the selection of the two portions of the t-shirts. Then select the image by selection tool and copy the image by going to the menu bar, edit and then copy. Now we have to paste the copy of that image on the front of the original image. For that, again go to the edit menu and select the paste in front option. Here also we can use the short key Ctrl C and then Ctrl F. Now here we get the two copy of the image. Then move the above copy to backward by clicking the mouse left button, then arrange, then send backward. Then two selected portion will move toward forwards as like this. After that, select both of that selected object stroke and convert it into the fill object by the short key Shift X. Then group both object by the short key Ctrl G. Now select the grouped object and go to the object menu in the menu bar. Then select the compound path, then make or the short key Ctrl 8. After that, select the compound object and one copy of image below that object. And left mouse button, make clipping mask or the short key Ctrl 7. Now if you move that object, you can see that the certain selected portions are aparted. Now we can change the color of that portions only. Now let's select the entire files and copy by dragging by holding the Alt key like this. Then select the t-shirt of the boy and go to the menu bar. Edit colors, adjust color balance. Here you will get the adjust control comment box. And from here, you can change the color by adjusting the RGB values like this. Also take the preview like this. Here you are. Now you can see the color are changing according to the value of the RGB. Here I make the red color of the t-shirt into blue color. In the same process, let's copy the entire file into multiple copy and change the colors to different colors by using our adjust color process like this. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed and it would be an informative video for you. So let's see again in the next video tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you.